Hello, welcome to First Pack, and today I'm going to show you how to brand your products. Well, the first thing you need to think about is your name. The name. Products. It doesn't have to be complicated or long-winded. Just something that describes what your product does and why people should buy it. So the first thing you need to do is come up with a name that is memorable, that reflects the features of the product, but also sounds good. Yeah. For example, if we're talking about an app that helps people get organized, we could call it Organized by First. The name would reflect the fact that this app helps organize people's lives by organizing their phone contacts, their calendar appointments, etc., etc. But it also sounds like an exciting new app that people can't wait to try. Aside from this, the way people feel about this product starts from its name, color combinations, your packaging, the landing page where it is showcased, and the experience they get in the period of IC. So if you really have a great product, you need to position it as such and brand it like that based on all what I've shared with you. If you need help with branding, send us a message at firstpack.com/contact or send us a DM right away. We help you brand your products, get people talking about it, and make